Now we all twitch our noses or turn our gaze away when we spot those overflowing and foul-smelling garbage dumps that we see across our cities in India. But have you ever stopped to consider that perhaps you too, in some way, may have contributed to the massive mess that our city dumps are? Well, do you want to do something about it, but don't know where to start? Well, you can make a huge difference to a city's waste generation if you start treating your waste right at home. Here's my report. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Swachh Bharat mission may be a much-needed step towards improving the state of our cities, but real change starts from home. And you must be the change you want to see in the world. How, you ask? Well, to start with, you can treat and compost your waste right at home. At the Arora household in Delhi, the lady of the house, Megha Arora, apart from being a busy doctor and a smart homemaker, is also a waste warrior. Megha looks at the waste that her family kitchen generates as gold and not garbage. She composts all her organic waste herself at home, and this lush balcony garden is a result of the rich manure that her kitchen waste has generated through aerobic composting. All it took was a one-time investment of just 2,000 rupees to buy a compost pot and 5 minutes every few days.
हर हफ्ते अगर 5 किलो का वेजिटेबल वेस्ट जनरेट होता है और वो 5 किलो का जो वेजिटेबल वेस्ट है मैं कंपोस्ट में डालती हूँ तो सालाना 250 किलो और 2 साल में 500 किलो वेस्ट मेरे ही कारण, सिर्फ मेरे घर के कारण वो कचरे के डब्बे में नहीं गया.
This indigenous 3-tiered terracotta compost pot called the Khamba has been developed by Poonam Veer Kasturi, who through her organization Daily Dump is inspiring many across India to find value in their waste. Poonam's team estimates that through their pan-India network of customers who are composting with the Khamba, they have managed to keep away almost 15,000 kilograms of organic waste from landfill sites every day. Why is this such a big achievement? Well, food waste decomposes to produce methane, a powerful greenhouse gas that is accelerating global warming and changing weather patterns across the world.
In the 4,000, 5,000 tons that are made in a city, 60% of that is organic. And out of that, about 70-80% is generated at homes. So if you do the numbers, every human being, every citizen of India has this power to make a change. And that's why they should start at home.
Composting with the terracotta pot is simple and can fit in your flat and your busy schedule easily. Your raw material is in your kitchen dustbin, and for the rest, nature takes its own course.
You start filling your pot with your kitchen waste, and every time you dump your kitchen waste, you have to cover it with dry leaves. And once this pot is filled up, you move it to the middle and get the middle one on top. So as you can see, this is the pot that was filled up first, and you can see that it has already started decomposing. So if we just pour in the content to the sieve basket, you can see that a fine powder is already coming out of the basket.
So it's time we stopped waiting for our municipalities and governments to get their act together. If you want to keep your city clean, take ownership of your own waste. Vasudha Sharma, NDTV. So it really is that simple. It hardly costs anything. It doesn't take up your time every day. All it takes is for you to just evoke that conscience inside you that, yes, I belong to this land and it's my duty to take ownership of my own waste. We have two very special guests in our studio with me. They're going to share their unique ideas on how citizens, people like you and I, can become a part of the waste disposal cycle in our cities. I'm joined by the Managing Director of Gorsons India, Mr. Manoj Gaur, at his township Gaur City in Greater Noida West. He has installed organic waste composter machines to process all the organic waste that's generated inside that residential complex. Also with me in the studio is Satvik Mudgal. He's a Senior Research Associate in the Industry and Environment Unit of the Center for Science and Environment. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me today. Satvik, I'd like to begin with you. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Swachh Bharat mission is generating so much buzz amongst the masses. But apart from the fact that we just now think twice before we throw that packet of chips outside our car, people are still very clueless on how they can contribute to this mission. Do you have any ideas for them?
See, it's thanks to Prime Minister Narendra Modi that people have actually started thinking about waste. I've been researching on waste for the last 2 or 3 years now, but earlier people used to tell me, okay, you're working on waste. What is it? But now the moment I say waste, their eyes lighten up and they tell me, wow, okay, what is it? So they are interested. So that is a very good thing that Prime Minister has done. Second thing is that we have surveyed across Delhi. And we have found localities, we have found communities who are doing it of their own already. For example, Defense Colony in South Delhi has had a pit composting plant, a very simple composting plant for the last 10 years now. And it is so cheap. I calculated the per household cost, it is only rupees 45. And it is managing, the financials are such that the compost that gets generated out of the composting plant funds the composting plants now. Right, so you don't need to fund that plant for an year also. Just for 3-4 months, that's it.
Okay. And if you look at the big picture, experts say that if you treat your waste at source, at your home, you're actually contributing towards reducing the amount generated in our cities. Yes. Is this extrapolation actually valid?
Yes, this is very, very right, because you know what? The problem today is the waste segregation. We are not segregating our waste. So what is happening is that, you're mixing, suppose, sugar and salt. And now you're asking your chef, make me a good tea or make me a good samosa. You cannot do that, right? So the moment you mix your waste, you mix plastic waste, you mix compostable waste, you mix metal scrap, and you send it to a composting plant, suppose at Bhalswa or at Gazipur or at Okhla, that guy will cry. That guy will tell you, boss, I cannot do anything with this. Right. This is mixed waste. So the point is, the real important point is that you need to segregate your waste at the home itself, and you process it at your community itself.
And it's very simple, as we saw in that story. Exactly. Mr. Gaur, coming to you, आपके project में जो township है, आपका Gaur City, Greater Noida West में, आपने काफी interesting पहल की है कि आपने organic composting machines लगाई है. What was the intention behind this, and क्या-क्या achieve किया जा सकता है इससे in a township project?
देखिए, टाउनशिप में आई थिंक जहाँ पे लास्ट टाउनशिप हो रही है सच लाइक अवर्स, वहाँ पे थाउजेंड्स ऑफ फ्लैट्स बन रहे हैं. तो पहले भी सारी टाउनशिप में हो गए थे, लेकिन पहले केवल सेग्रीगेशन तक हम जो है गार्बेज सूट्स लगाते थे, जिसके अंदर जो है रिसाइकल और नॉन रिसाइकल जो है गार्बेज को अलग अलग जो है कलेक्ट करते थे. लेकिन आफ्टर मोदी जी डेफिनेटली हर एक ने इसको जो है सोचना शुरू किया, और आमिर खान का जो प्रोजेक्ट आया था सत्यमेव जयते, उसके बाद भी तो हमने सीरियसली इसको सोचना शुरू किया कि इसको किस तरह से टाउनशिप लेवल के अंदर जीरो गार्बेज सिटी जो है बनाया जा सकता है. तो अब राइट नाउ हमने अभी गौर सिटी से इसको स्टार्ट किया है कि बॉट ए कंपोजिट मशीन, जो कि लगभग आपका रिसाइकेबल जितना भी है उसको 90% तक एक तो उसका वॉल्यूम ख़त्म कर देते हैं वहीं पे, और विद इन 24 आवर्स वो मैनिक्योर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. और विदाउट एनी जो है पॉल्यूशन, विदाउट एनी स्मेल, विदाउट एनी गैस. तो आई थिंक दैट्स जो है जितने भी हमारे डेवलपर्स हैं, बीइंग द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ दैट एरिया, मोर देन 100 डेवलपर्स हैं, वो सभी इसको फॉलो करने के बाद दैट इज़ नॉट वेरी एक्सपेंसिव ऑल्सो. तो इसमें इनिशियल लेवल पे घर हाउस होल्ड के टाइम पे ही वो 2 बकेट्स हर एक हाउस होल्ड को दे रहे हैं, जहाँ से वो सेग्रीगेशन, जैसे अभी आपने बताया, सेग्रीगेशन राइट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट पॉइंट जहाँ से गार्बेज जनरेट हो रहा है, उसको जितना भी गीला और जो है होम वेस्ट है, किचन वेस्ट है, उसको वहीं पे ट्रीट कर रहे हैं, और बाकी जितना रिसाइकेबल है उसको एनजीओ के साथ हम टाई अप करके उनको भी इससे जॉब मिले, और वो एक उसको सेल करके अपना लाइवलीहुड उसको क्या कहते हैं. आई थिंक ये विन विन सिचुएशन है बोथ रेजिडेंट्स के लिए, एज ए डेवलपर, एज ए सोसाइटी.
ओके, बट एक बात बताइए, ऐसा क्यों है कि एक ऐसा आप ही एक एग्जांपल है जिन्होंने अपने प्रोजेक्ट में वेस्ट को सीरियसली देखा है, डिफरेंटली देखा है. जैसे अभी क्रेडाई का एनुअल कॉन्क्लेव हुआ, जहाँ पर प्लेज लिया गया कि क्लीन इंडिया की तरफ काम करेंगे, बट जब एक्चुअल इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात आती है ऐसे ग्रीन इनिशिएटिव्स पे काफ़ी कम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. ऐसा क्यों? आई
थिंक जैसे लैक ऑफ नॉलेज जो है, लोगों को पता ही नहीं था कि क्या करना है, वो तो बस इसको गंदगी समझते थे. और जैसा कहा कि मिक्सिंग ना तो गवर्नमेंट को पता है ना म्यूनसिपल. बेसिकली इसमें मेरा मानना है कि सबसे पहले म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन जो है वो एजुकेट नहीं थी. और जिस तरह से नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने क्या, एक लीडर क्या चेंज कर सकता है, उन्होंने एक थॉट दिया और आज सभी लोग उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक इट इज़ वेरी अचीवेबल, और हम अचीव कर रहे हैं उसको जो है. और जब ये टाउनशिप हमारी कंप्लीट हो जाएगी, मोर देन 7,000 टन जो हमने अभी कैलकुलेट किया है, उसको हम वहीं पर जो है रिसाइकिल कर देंगे.
7,000 टन, वाओ,
इट्स ए ग्रेट नंबर. और इस तरह से जो है ज़ीरो गार्बेज सिटी, जैसे हमने पहले ज़ीरो डिस्चार्ज सिटी पे हमने क्रॉसिंग्स में काम किया कि हम पानी को कहीं बाहर नहीं ले जा रहे थे, जितना भी पानी था उसको वहीं एसटीपी में ट्रीट करके वापस झील में डाल के डबल प्लम्बिंग करी, उससे सारा, तो ऑलमोस्ट वाटर को हमने पहले कंट्रोल किया था। वाटर तो हम कर ही रहे हैं, इसके साथ हम गार्बेज भी कर रहे हैं।
So this becomes very important because today we're talking about smart cities. So waste is, you can't ignore waste. Satvik, coming to you, tell us, he spoke about municipalities. They're not that aware, they're not that skilled. How broken is our waste disposal system in our cities? And your research also pointed out that in terms of the policy angles, there has been a lot of inaction. You know, we have policies, but they're very insufficient. Tell us about
I think,
those.
Mr. Gaur has put up a very wonderful point that municipalities or urban local bodies or communities or people or, you, me, all of us, we are not aware what can we do with our waste? Right. What can be done? So it's a very simple process. So what needs to be done is, first thing is that, see, we had a rule, India woke up to the problem of waste somewhere in 2000. We had a Almitra Patel case in the Supreme Court, which led to the formulation of rules that, we need to do something about the waste. So this was Municipal Solid Waste Management and Handling Rules in 2000. Now after 14 years, the Ministry of Urban Development is now ruling out another manual on what to do with it for urban local bodies, and also the Ministry of Environment and Forests is renewing the rules. Okay. So the new rules are also expected any day. Okay. But the point is that the disposal as of date, the problem is, for example, I'll just give you a simple statistics by Central Pollution Control Board, an autonomous body under the Government of India. Okay. It said in 2012 report that only 70% of the entire waste in India gets collected, and out of that, only 12% of the waste in India gets treated.
Wow, it's a huge
so
gap.
This is disheartening, right? And the problem is, ideally, on a landfill site, only the residual waste out of your composting plants or out of your incineration plants or out of your RDF, refuse derived fuel plants, whatever is the residual waste needs to reach the landfill, which is ideally around 10 to 20%. But we are just the opposite. Instead of sending 10 to 20% waste on the landfill site, we are only processing 10 to 12% of waste. So 88% of my waste is just being collected and dumped. So the problem now is that waste management is today, as of date, is shifting your waste from point A to point B. Okay. This is not waste management per se.
So,
you need to process it.
Let's try to make waste more appealing to our viewers. Why should our viewers treat waste differently, look at it differently? Why should they just make that effort, even if 5 minutes, to segregate their waste and compost? What's in it for them? See,
they can make organic compost. They can have a kitchen garden at their home. And see, I really wish that we break the myth that for a kitchen garden you need a farmhouse. For a composting plant you need an elaborate space. No, you can do it in your balcony, you can do it in your flat, you can do it at the parking lot, you can do it in your neighborhood park, you can do it just next to your guard room, you can do it anywhere. Right? Because see, when human settlement is going vertical, why can't my composting plant also go vertical? You just have to compost it, right? So they can make a lot of things out of their waste. This is only organic waste. Now, if you have plastic waste, suppose, you can send it to an organized recycling plant. Okay. Right? For example, this is such a wonderful thing in India. We reuse a lot of waste. So we are a good example. Why is this? Because if you throw a plastic glass on the road, next day you will not find it. Why is that? Is because a rack picker has an eye. He has a wonderful eye. He will roam around the street and he'll see whatever he can pick can be sold. Right. So he knows that a plastic glass would sell for 6 rupees a kg. A doodh ka theli would sell for 12 rupees a kg. A paper would sell for 11 rupees a kg. A copper pipe that we throw from the geyser connection.
For them at the local level, why not for us?
Why not for us? The only thing is they are playing with the economies of scale. Yeah. So they're highly organized. So within a family of rack picker, the elder brother would, if he's collecting only metal scraps, the younger brother is not allowed to even look at it.
They have divided their verticals. Exactly. One last question from you, Mr. Gaur. So new areas are coming up. Let's take the example of NCR. We have Noida, Greater Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon. नए सेक्टर बन रहे हैं, बट उनका ट्रंक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आने से पहले घर बन जाते हैं. तो क्या डेवलपर्स ने, टाउनशिप डेवलपर्स ने सारी एक्सपेक्टेशन छोड़ दी है अथॉरिटी से, म्यूनिसिपैलिटी से? क्या अब आप ही लोग रिस्पॉन्सिबल है सुवेज सिस्टम लगाने के लिए, वेस्ट को ट्रीट करने के लिए, पानी प्रोवाइड करने के लिए?
देखिए हर चीज़ के लिए गवर्नमेंट पे डिपेंड नहीं हो जा सकता, हमें भी एज ए रिस्पॉन्सिबल डेवलपर हमें सोचना पड़ेगा कि किस तरह से हम इस चीज़ को रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं। और स्पेशली जो गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट वाली बात है, तो ये मॉनिटरी भी ये जो है कोई घाटे का सौदा नहीं है डेवलपर के लिए, और जो सोसाइटी उसको मेंटेन करेगी, क्योंकि उससे जो जितना भी मैनीक्योर है आप उससे पूरी लैंडस्केप, क्योंकि आज जितने भी प्रोजेक्ट बन रहे हैं उसमें लैंडस्केप एरिया बहुत बड़ा होता है, हमें बहुत बड़े ग्रीन लॉन्स एंड पेड़ उनको मेंटेन करना होता है, एंड लैक्स ऑफ रुपीज़ उसकी मेंटेनेंस में खर्च होता है। तो अगर और गोल्फ बेस्ड भी प्रोजेक्ट हमारे बहुत सारे हैं, तो उनके लिए ये जितना भी हम बाहर से कंपोजिंग खरीदते हैं वो वहीं पे अगर जनरेट हो रही है और हम अपने फ्लैट होल्डर्स को वापस उसको सप्लाई कर रहे हैं टू मेंटेन देयर किचन गार्डन, आई थिंक द इट्स प्रॉफिटेबल आल्सो। और उससे जितना भी आपका गत्ते का रिसाइकिल वेस्ट जो निकल रहा है, इवन कोची ने तो एक कदम और आगे जाके जितना भी एक छोटा कटर मशीन लगाया है प्लास्टिक वेट को छोटे दाने में कन्वर्ट करके, और उसको वो सड़क में यूज़ कर रहे हैं। तो ये गवर्नमेंट को भी हम दे सकते हैं कि भाई इकट्ठा करके गवर्नमेंट सारे मान लो एक सिटी का इकट्ठा कर रही है और उससे अगर वो उसको सड़क बनाने में काम करते हैं तो उसकी सड़क की जो लाइफ भी उसमें बढ़ रही है और वो वेस्ट यूज़ भी हो रहा है। तो आई थिंक काफ़ी कुछ किया जा सकता है अवेयरनेस की जो है आपके प्रोग्राम के थ्रू, आपके रिसर्च के थ्रू, अगर ये एंड यूज़र तक अगर ये बात ज़्यादा ज़्यादा पहुँचे तो डेफिनेटली लोग रिस्पॉन्स कर रहे हैं और काफ़ी रिस्पॉन्स कर रहे हैं। स्वच्छ भारत अभियान हो गया, रिसाइकिल हो गया, तो जिस भी लेवल पे जो कर रहा है एफर्ट्स कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक मेरे को भी काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला है अपने को डेवलपर से। दे ऑल आर रेडी टू पुट दिस टाइप ऑफ मैकेनिज्म इन देयर सोसाइटी। आई थिंक यू विल सी द चेंज इन नेक्स्ट few years, definitely.
That's great to know, and the fact that we're at least discussing waste on television is a big step towards actually achieving the dream cities that we all want. So the change lies within you. Start from home. Your waste is not just garbage, it's wealth, so treat it properly. Gentlemen, thank you so much for coming to the studio with us.